Hello my friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today it's a plant video, a short one, and let us start off with my Kalanchoe, and it's the panda's paw. I have not shown you this plant for quite some time, and this is how it looks right now. Now on to my Syngonium, which is the strawberry ice. This is how it looks right now. This plant was there in my bucket list for quite some time before I could get it home. Look at the leaves. The tender leaves are so beautiful and colorful. Look at the splash of pink in between the pink. A beautiful plant. As the leaf matures, the color changes, it turns deeper. But when the leaves are young or when it's about to unfold, the colors are just mind-blowing. A beautiful plant, but a little bit slow growing than the other Syngoniums, but I love it. This is my ivy, maple leaf ivy. Look at the leaves. Doesn't it look like just the maple leaf? And it is doing just wonderful, guys, after it has been shifted to this decent sized pot. I think very soon this pot is going to get smaller for it, but during the monsoons this time I am going to take cuttings so that I can share it with my cousins. A beautiful plant, an elegant looking plant. Look at the beauty of the leaves. Maple leaf ivy. What a beautiful name, and look at the variegation. Look at the margins of the leaves. Now this is my Crassula ovate, or the jade plant, the twisted one, and yes, I am placing it in the sun, changing its position every 2 days, and it has started showing some intense color. See how nice it looks, as the seller had told me that it's going to color up. A beautiful succulent. This is a succulent actually, because if you overwater, it's going to say bye-bye. Look at the leaves, it looks so dehydrated. I must water it. Actually, I watered it, but in a controlled manner, and I'm going to water it again today. Now this is my Echeveria raindrops. This is the only succulent that survived from last year's batch, and those bumps there, that is the indication this is the Echeveria raindrop. And now this is the Echeveria because the leaves have a pointed tip. That is also an indication that it is an Echeveria, and those bumps say that it's the Echeveria raindrops. Although mine doesn't look that very good right now, but soon it's going to look beautiful. And these are the bundle of joys, all grown from leaves which were dropped here and there, and look at it. Now this is the sedum that I rarely get to show you. I had placed it in the full sun, but this is the portion that was devoid of the sunlight and is still green. Other than that, all the rosettes have colored up. Look at the mind-blowing color that it has got. Just a minute, look at it. It's a very old plant, almost I think 5 years old. You can see the branches all are tangled here and there, and look at the weeds, the oxalis growing. Just a few days back I removed some, and again the whole lot growing. Look at the rosettes. Oh my god, you look so pretty. This is the reason why I grow succulents. I think you all have got tired hearing my dialogues. These are the same things I keep saying. Beautiful succulent. Now this is my dollar plant. This is how it looks after it has got some leaves. At one time it was leafless because a little girl, I think, thought it to be a toy and removed all the leaves. Now this is my jade. Look at it, the mini jade. I have, I think, 3 or 4 varieties, and this is one of them. What a beautiful plant. I love this one as well. And the best part is the splashes of color here and there, and the stem is also equally beautiful. See, look at the color there suddenly in between the greens. Beautiful. This is why I love this plant. This I had purchased from the Gorkhe Haat at the Acropolis Mall. My friends, I hope you all enjoyed this short video. If so, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today. Bye-bye.